Seated Important CDP 2026. Question 1. According to Jean Piaget, children in the age group of 7 to 11 years are in which stage? A. Sensory motor stage. B. Pre-operational stage. C. Concrete operational stage. Or D. Formal operational stage. Option C. Concrete operational stage. Question 2. Who proposed the theory of multiple intelligence? A. Jean Piaget. B. Howard Gardner. C. Kohlberg. D. Vygotsky. Option B. Howard Gardner. Question 3. Learning that takes place through observation and imitation is called A. Trial and error learning. B. Insight learning. C. Social learning. D. Classical conditioning. Option C. Social learning. Question 4. Which psychologist gave the concept of zone of proximal development ZPD? A. Skinner. B. Piaget. C. Vygotsky. D. Brunner. Option C. Vygotsky. Question 5. Intelligent quotient IQ is calculated as A. MA divide CA into 100. B. CA divide MA into 100. C. MA plus CA into 100. D. MA into CA. Option A. MA divide CA into 100. Question 6. Which of the following is a sign of a creative child? A. Rote learning. B. Curiosity. C. Memorization. D. Dependency. Option B. Curiosity. Question 7. The first school of a child is A. Society. B. Family. C. Friends. D. Library. Option B. Family. Question 8. According to Kohlberg, moral development occurs in A. 2 stages. B. 3 levels. C. 4 stages. D. 5 levels. B. 3 levels. Question 9. Inclusive education means A. Teaching only gifted children. B. Teaching only disabled children. C. Educating all children together. D. Separate schools for special children. Option C. Educating all children together. Question 10. Which type of motivation comes from within the learner? A. Extrinsic motivation. B. Negative motivation. C. Intrinsic motivation. Or D. Social motivation. Option C. Intrinsic motivation. Question 11. The process of adjustment to the environment is called A. Assimilation. B. Accommodation. C. Adaptation. D. Maturation. Option C. Adaptation. Question 12. Which psychologist is associated with operant conditioning? A. Pavlov. B. Skinner. C. Thorndike. D. Freud. Option B. Skinner. Question 13. Individual differences among learners imply the teacher should A. Use one method for all students. B. Punish weak learners. C. Use varied teaching methods. D. Ignore slow learners. C. Use varied teaching methods. Question 14. Which factor affects learning the most? A. Motivation. B. Height. C. Dress. D. Age only. Option A. Motivation. Question 15. A child learns by doing. This principle is associated with A. John Dewey. B. Skinner. C. Freud. D. Pavlov. Option A. John Dewey. Question 16. The term scaffolding was introduced by A. Brunner. B. Piaget. C. Kohlberg. D. Skinner. Option A. Brunner. Question 17. Which intelligence involves sensitivity to rhythm and sound? A. Logical intelligence. B. Linguistic intelligence. C. Musical intelligence. D. Spatial intelligence. Option C. Musical intelligence. Question 18. Which assessment is conducted during the teaching learning process? A. Summative assessment. B. Diagnostic assessment. C. Formative assessment. D. Placement assessment. Option C. Formative assessment. Question 19. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a gifted child? A. High curiosity. B. Fast learning. C. Poor memory. D. Creativity. Option C. Poor memory. Question 20. Development refers to A. Change in weight only. B. Change in height only. C. Progressive changes in all aspects of personality. D. Learning only. Option C. Progressive changes in all aspects of personality. And if you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel, and for more such content, keep watching.